G'day! In today's video I've got this Spot R. Not sure if it's by Black Diamond or whoever it may be, but this particular one seems to have a faulty charging port, so I just want to tear it down and have a bit of an inspection, and we'll see what we can see when we get in there. I'm just using a pretty standard small Phillips head screwdriver right now. A 000 screwdriver. That gets the back off. Now I'm going to assume we are turning on. The customer was saying that this would not power. Turn that off so I don't blind myself. Now we're on 1 bar. I'm going to assume it's silicone glue. I'm going to try and pry this open and see where we get. Sadly, I may not get too far with this. I feel like it's stuck here on the seam, but I'm not 100% sure. Get this in there, and twist, and turn the light on. I'm not getting anywhere fast on this. Sadly, these kind of devices are very much designed never to be opened again. Being they're designed to be waterproof, they're designed to have a whole bunch of glue, or at least hopefully just a good rubber gasket. But I'm getting nowhere with this one. I feel like if I try and take that off, it's just going to rip off the plastic on the front of it, like this. But I guess, when in doubt, sacrifices need to be made. Is there going to be a hidden screw on here at all? No, nothing I'm seeing. Nothing. How does this come apart?
My man!
1 second. One minute pry tool. Where else? A useful screwdriver. Yep, that's refusing to budge. So no, sadly these I would almost treat as disposable. Glue that back down. No more further life out of this. I don't know if this section here is meant to pop out, or the camera, but there's no real grooves for anything. I've tried to make a groove there. No, get nowhere whatsoever. Bugger. 0 out of 10.